John Teller effect, sometimes also known as John Teller distortion, describes the geometrical distortion of molecules or ions that is associated with a certain electronic configuration. What is certain electronic configuration? Unsymmetric electronic configuration. Already we have seen. Next question. Correct increasing order of wavelength of absorption in the visible region for the complex CO3 plus. See, correct increasing order of wavelength. Wavelength maximum means frequency minimum. Wavelength maximum means frequency minimum. Frequency minimum means T2G splitting is minimum. T2G splitting minimum means weak ligand. So for a weak ligand, the splitting will be minimum, frequency will be minimum, wavelength will be maximum. So the answer is first choice. First choice. You see, water is the weak ligand. The next is ammonia and En is a strong ligand. So water is a weak ligand. So the splitting will be minimum. So the energy for transition will be minimum. Frequency will be minimum. Wavelength will be maximum when it is water. Then comes ammonia and then comes En. Clear? Clear? Yeah. We want increasing order of wavelength. So wavelength is maximum here and wavelength is minimum here. Suppose instead of wavelength it is frequency asked, just opposite. Just opposite. So stronger the ligand, stronger will be the splitting, greater will be the energy for transition, greater will be the frequency for transition, lower will be the wavelength for transition. Okay.